Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll talk about the ultimate Python roadmap for data analytics. Because everyone want to learn Python, but you have to find a good roadmap so it will be easy for you to learning end to end. So in this video we'll talk about the ultimate Python roadmap. Means I'm not talk about the Python concept like loops, variables, function. We'll also talk about the what are the things that have around the Python that you have to know for data analytics. Mainly, it's also thing that in the age, the if you're from non-tech background and if you want to switch in tech area, so data analytics role is perfect for you, because data analytics is not only totally tech, not only totally non-tech. It's a mixing. Because data analytics, for data analytics you should know Excel, Power BI, SQL. So for this you don't need to know any technical knowledge, but when it comes to Python, so you have to know the technical things. That's why you have to know the technical area of data analytics to get a better job. So first of all we talk about the Python syllabus that you have to know. No, not Python syllabus. Why Python matters? Why you Python learn Python? Some of the thing that you have to know, that why Python use in today's age, why others language not. So in-demand skill, Python continues to be highly sought after skill in job market. Okay, because Python also have a others library like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and many libraries is there that very useful for as a data analytics or data science, or cleaning your data, transformation your data, analysis your data. That's why Python is very important. Number two, automation capabilities. With the help of Python, you can easily automate lots of things. Okay, because automation is very important into this area in the age of AI. Number two, integration power. Python, with the help of Python, you can easily integrate to other tools like SQL, Power BI, and any cloud platform, so that you can connection between them, so you can build a good integration project. Okay, with the help of Python. That's why we'll have to learn Python. First, we have to know Python fundamental overview. First of all, I want to tell you that for data analytics, you should not know advanced concept of Python. If you are beginner and if you are coming from non-tech background, you don't look for the advanced concept in Python. First, if you know that basic or intermediate syllabus of Python, it will be okay for you. If you are going to move into data science and AI, then you can have to know advanced concept of Python. But otherwise, I think you should not know the advanced concept of Python. The core concept for beginner is variables and data type. What are the variables and how you can use variables? And what are the data type have in the Python, like list, string, integer, float, set. All of the things you have to know, and how to work with them. Loops and conditional is very important. Loops is very important. While loop, for loop, if else condition. Function, this is very important concept. You have to know, if you work with your dataset, you can do lots of things with the help of function, like lambda function. Then file handling, because in data analytics most of the time you handle with file, you work with file. So file handling also you have to know. Error handling. Error handling means that if any error comes in your code, so how you can handle it without throwing any error. You have to show any pop error message. This error handling. So if you only preparing for data analytics, so this is the concept in Python you can know to move ahead. Oops and other concept, if you don't know, it will be okay. Then core data analysis libraries, Python libraries. This is very important and you must know. First, NumPy. NumPy is the array. Meaning in NumPy you'll work with array. With the help of NumPy you can perform numerical calculation, like if you want to find mean, median, any statistical concept, any mathematical things you have to find out. So with the help of NumPy, you can easily do. And number 2, Pandas data frame. Pandas allow structured data organization and manipulation for data analytics. Mainly when you like, if you got a data set and most of the cases you get unclean raw data, so you have to perform some data cleaning things, and after data cleaning you have to transform the data and they have to find the insight from the data. So for all of this you have to use Pandas. So you can easily do this with the help of Pandas. Okay. That's why Pandas is a very important tool to know for data analytics or as well as data science, because AI is all about data. So if you don't have any good data, clean data, so how you can perform analysis, how you can build machine learning model? If you put garbage in your model, garbage is coming out. So that's why you have to know totally Pandas for data cleaning and data transformation. And number 3, Matplotlib visualization. If you want to visualize your dataset like this, visualization, so that's why you have to know Matplotlib for visualization. And also you can know Seaborn. Seaborn is a little bit advanced. If you know, it will be good. Data cleaning process. I already said that you have to know some data cleaning process, like you can do easily with the help of Pandas. Okay, data cleaning is a crucial accurate analysis. This process involves handling machine values, removing duplicates, converting data types, applying the regex for pattern matching, and lots of things you can do easily with the help of Pandas. Exploratory data analysis. This is a one concept EDA. You have to know basic EDA, how you can find insight from the data. Like exploratory analysis is essential for revealing patterns and relationship in the dataset. Okay, like what is the pattern and what are the relationship between 2 columns or 3 columns. If there are any relationship, you have to find out this. This is very important concept to know for data analytics, exploratory data analysis. This is SQL and Python integration. Okay, like if you know SQL and you have to perform some analysis, so easily you can integrate SQL with Python to build some project or do some automation. Like you have to fetch data from SQL and you have to find some analysis, so easily you can do this with the help of Python. So also you have to know that fetch the SQL data, automate refresh, Jupyter queries. You can easily do this with the help of Python. So that's why Python is very important. Essential statistic overview, and also you have to know some statistical concept like mean, median, standard deviation, correlation, hypothesis testing. Okay, this is the concept in statistic you have to know, and you know that you can to know the concept statistic, but you can do easily with the help of NumPy and Pandas. Okay, and you can also grab this kind of grab with the help of Matplotlib and Seaborn. So statistic is very important. Automating data process. You can automate your data with the help of not data means you have to automating total process with the help of Python. Like you have to fetch data from Excel. You can easily do this. Different kind of APIs. Okay, like in your data have in a cloud platform like AWS or anything, so you can easily fetch data from the cloud platform to your local system to perform some analysis. You can also fetch data from Excel. Okay, so you can easily lots of things with the help of Python. There is no question about it. So you can build some real world projects to showcase your skill. I add some projects: self forecasting, customer segmentation, financial reporting. So project is very important to showcase your skill in front of recruiter. Okay, so this is the thing that you can know in Python. Advanced skill overview, boost your career potential. Like this is the advanced concept like API, web scraping, cloud tools like AWS. If you know, so it will be better. But for beginner, I don't recommend this because it will take more time and it is more advanced API and web scraping. So if you first of all, if you don't want to go into more advanced thing, first you have to know these are the concept that I told you, then mastering them, then apply for a job, and then you can go with the learn these things, advanced thing. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to know in the space of Python, and what are the things that totally you have to know in the data analytics. Okay, so totally things that you have to know. So if you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section.